What's up, Warriors? Welcome back to my page, Chronically Fit. Hope y'all feeling well. Today, we'll be doing core workouts for Ostomates, all right? So this is for anyone that's just gotten out of surgery after you actually recovered. Make sure you talk to your doctor and they give you the okay to actually do exercises. This is just, a simple beginner's workout. You can do it at home, you can do it at the gym, you can do it anywhere. So your core is your foundation pretty much of everything. If you don't have a strong core, cause hernias, back problems, and a whole bunch of other things. So I'm gonna do a quick workout. You can just follow me. If you can't do the entire workout, you can do here and there. You can stop, you can just do a couple exercises, but overall it's for you to just actually have something that you know you can start from, and then just build from that, and you can write it down, and every day or every week or every other day, just continue to add it into your workout. And as you get stronger, you'll see it'll get easier. And then that's when I'll put out part 2 of core workouts for Ostomates, and then you go from there. All right, so here we go. All right, guys, so I have a 2-piece ostomy bag, so I like to turn mine sideways. If you don't, you can just flip your bag up before you start. So what we're going to be doing here are vacuums. So what I want you to do is inhale as much as you can, and then when you exhale, try to let all the air out as much as you can. And when you get to the bottom of it, you hold it. Tighten your stomach as much as you can. Hold it as long as you can. And then when you're done, you do the same thing. You repeat. You inhale as much air as you can. You exhale until you get to the bottom of it. Tighten it, hold it as long as you can, and then repeat. All right, keep going, guys. You're killing it. If you're getting tired, you can stop, take a rest, and then, get back into it. But keep going. I see you. All right, guys, we're gonna be doing knee twists now. So I want you to lie on your back flat, arms by your side, legs together, and I want you to rotate your legs to the left or right slowly, and keep your core engaged. So bring it back up. You're going to be trying to use your core and pelvic area to move your legs back and forth. This is a great exercise for your obliques, core area, so you'll build a great muscle and strength with that. So you'll be able to do just normal trunk rotations if you're lifting, just normal everyday things, picking your kid up, picking boxes up, things like that. All right, good job, guys. I see you. Keep going. All right, guys, next thing we're going to be doing are bridges. So right now I want you to lie flat on your back, arms by your side again, and feet planted on the ground. So how this is gonna go is you're pretty much pushing through your legs to push your core, your butt up in the air. I want you to tighten it and keep your core engaged, your glutes engaged while you're doing it. I don't know if you can see on the video, but you don't supposed to have an arch on your back. I want your back to be flat when it hits the ground and then come back up. It has to be a slow, nice tempo. You don't need to go real fast or anything. That's not going to do anything for you. All right, nice slow tempo. And just pushing through your legs. Straight up, back down, straight up, back down. Doing good, keeping that core engaged, those glutes engaged when you go up at the top. All right, good job. Keep going. All right, guys, this is one of my favorite workouts, is leg lifts with your legs crossed. So you're going to be crossing your legs, pretty much forcing them together, which engages your pelvic area and your core, and you're going to be lifting them. And you don't want it to touch the ground. You can get very close to the ground, but don't touch the ground, and you can just lift it up. So I want you to inhale when you're going down, exhale when you're going up, and you're using your core to lift your legs up. All right, good job. Favorite exercise, really engages your pelvic area and your core. All right, guys, last exercise. This is also a very good one. Side planks. So I like to start off with side planks, especially during recovery, because I don't like to put my ostomy in a pretty much a compromising position where you could get hernia. So doing the side ones instead of the front planks are very good. So it's basically sitting on your side, using your elbow, try to keep your elbow right under you, right under your shoulder, legs straight, and engage that core. Just tighten the core, tighten your butt, keep everything tight, and hold it as long as you can. All right, when you're done, you do the opposite side, and then you can do this as many times as you can. All right, keep going, guys. You're killing it. And like I said, all these exercises, they help me very much during my recovery time. And yeah, I'm going to be putting out more videos about this. So just keep going, keep killing it. You're doing great. All right, guys, that was the workout. Yeah, if you could do more or less, but yeah, good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. Continue to do these exercises. I will be putting out part 2, part 3, part 4, a whole bunch of different exercises and variations of these that will help you continue to strengthen your core. Give yourself a little stretch. Recovering takes time, all right? So don't try to force it. Don't hurt yourself or anything like that. Give yourself a good stretch and all that. And yeah, I'll be putting out more of these videos. So if you like, please subscribe, share, and yeah, keep fighting. Love you guys. See you later.